Imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you've been taught about money is wrong. What if I told you that the secret to financial success isn't working harder, but thinking differently? This is the story of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a book that has transformed millions of lives. And today, I will break it down in a way that not only inspires you, but gives you the roadmap to financial freedom. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the lessons of wealth, mindset, and financial intelligence. Chapter 1, The Two Dads, A Tale of Two Mindsets. Robert Kiyosaki, the author, had two father figures, his biological father, the poor dad, and the father of his best friend, the rich dad. Poor Dad was highly educated, had a secure government job, and believed in the traditional path of working hard, saving money, and climbing the corporate ladder. But despite his efforts, he struggled financially. Rich Dad, on the other hand, had little formal education but was financially free. He understood the power of money and how it truly works. This contrast shaped Kiyosaki's financial education. The biggest lesson: wealth isn't about how much money you earn, it's about how you think about money. Chapter 2, The Power of Financial Education. One of the most important takeaways from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is that financial education is the key to success. Schools teach us algebra and history, but they rarely teach us how to manage money. The rich don't just work for money, they make money work for them. What does this mean? Instead of earning and spending, the wealthy invest their money in assets, things that put more money in their pockets, like businesses, real estate, and stocks. Poor and middle-class individuals, on the other hand, invest in liabilities, things that take money out of their pockets, like cars, expensive gadgets, and lifestyle inflation. Chapter 3, The Rat Race. Are you stuck in it? Kiyosaki describes the rat race as the endless cycle of earning money, paying bills, and having little left to invest. Most people work their entire lives trapped in this cycle, believing that the only way to succeed is to earn more. But here's the hard truth: more income doesn't always mean financial success. If your expenses increase as your income grows, you're still stuck. The real solution? Learning to create passive income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. Chapter 4, Assets versus Liabilities, the Game Changer. One of the simplest yet most powerful concepts in the book is the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets: investments that generate money, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. Liabilities: expenses that drain money, such as loans, car payments, and luxury purchases. The rich buy assets first. The poor and middle class buy liabilities, often mistaking them for assets. Ask yourself, is your house an asset? If it's not putting money into your pocket, then it's a liability. It's time to rethink what you own and how it impacts your financial future. Chapter 5, The Fear of Losing, Why Most People Stay Poor. Fear is the #1 reason people avoid investing. Many people say, I don't want to lose money. But the truth is, rich people lose money too. The difference? They learn from it and keep moving forward. Failure is a lesson, not a final destination. The world rewards action, not hesitation. The moment you overcome your fear and start making smart financial moves, you begin your journey toward financial independence. Chapter 6, Work to Learn, Not for Money. Most people work for money, but the wealthy work to learn. Kiyosaki emphasizes that instead of chasing high-paying jobs, you should focus on acquiring skills. Sales, marketing, investing, and negotiation. These skills help you build wealth over time. If you only work for money, your opportunities will always be limited. But if you learn how to generate money through skills and knowledge, you'll always have control over your financial destiny. Chapter 7, The Power of Mindset. Change your thoughts, change your wealth. Everything starts with mindset. If you believe you'll always struggle financially, you probably will. If you believe that wealth is possible for you, you'll find ways to achieve it. The rich focus on opportunities, while the poor focus on obstacles. Here's an exercise. Every time you find yourself saying, I can't afford this, change it to, how can I afford this? This small shift forces your brain to think creatively and seek solutions instead of accepting limitations. Chapter 8, Taking Action. The final step: knowledge without action is useless. You can read every financial book in the world, but if you don't apply what you learn, nothing will change. Start today. Create a financial plan, track your expenses, invest in assets, and keep learning. Surround yourself with financially smart people, take calculated risks, and never stop growing. So, what will you do with this knowledge? Will you continue working hard without a plan, or will you take control of your financial future? The choice is yours. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but every smart decision you make today brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Thank you for listening to this breakdown of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If this inspired you, take action today. Your future self will thank you.